Hello beautiful kids. Welcome to Joyful Kids World. Today we are going to listen to the story of the 5 cows and the lion. Once upon a time, in a little forest, there lived a lion and 5 cows. The cows loved each other so much. They played, ate in the same area and did everything together. On the other hand, the lion was very greedy. He always waited for an opportunity to eat the cows. The lion was unable to eat them because they were always together. Even though he was strong, with the cows being together, it would be difficult to kill them at once. One day, the cows had a disagreement on which place they would eat. They did not agree, and they all went to eat in different areas. The lion saw this, and saw the opportunity he had been waiting for. The lion attacked them and ate the cows one by one. And that was the end of the beautiful cows. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye and remember to always be kind.